In this video, we're going to join a SongbookPro Groups organisation, and then we're going to link SongbookPro Groups with the SongbookPro app. My friend Barry said he was going to invite me to his organisation, Barry and the Country Bumpkins, and sure enough, I've received an email with the title SongbookPro Groups Invite. I'm going to press Accept Invitation. That takes me to this sign-in page. If I already have an account, I can put my email and password in here. If I don't, I can press Sign Up Now to create a new account. Now my account's been added to Barry and the Country Bumpkins. Here I can see all of our songs and sets, and if I make changes or add new songs, Barry and everyone else in the band will be able to see them too. If your account is part of multiple organisations, you can click this menu to switch between them. Now I'm going to switch to the SongbookPro app and connect it to SongbookPro Groups so I can sync all of Barry and the Country Bumpkins songs onto my phone. You can get the SongbookPro app from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, the Microsoft App Store, or the Amazon Fire App Store. When you open the SongbookPro app, you see your most recently viewed song, or this page telling us no song is selected. Let's open the song list by pressing the list icon in the top left, or swiping from the left of the screen. From here, we can get to the settings page by pressing the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. In the settings page, we should see settings for SongbookPro Groups. If you can't see this button, you might need to upgrade to the newest version of the app. Here, I'm going to log in to the same account that I used to join Barry and the Country Bumpkins. Now I'm going to press the back icon in the top left, once to go back to the settings page, and once more to go back to the song list. Now if I look at the top of the song list, I can see a new Groups tab. If we click it, we can see a list of the SongbookPro Groups organisations that we're part of, including Barry and the Country Bumpkins. If we click on Barry and the Country Bumpkins, we can see all the songs Barry created in our organisation. We can also press the Sets button at the bottom of the song list to view all of the sets in the organisation. Here's the set that we're playing this Saturday. Any changes I make to songs or sets here in the mobile app will be visible to everyone in my organisation. Songs shared through SongbookPro Groups are displayed separately from your own personal library of songs. If I'm finished viewing Barry and the Country Bumpkins songs and want to go back to my own personal library, I can press the Songs button at the bottom of the sidebar, and then the Back button in the top left corner. Now, up the top, where we selected the Groups tab earlier, we can switch back to the Folders tab. Now we can select all songs and we'll see our whole personal library. Now I'm all ready to start using SongbookPro Groups with my band. To find out how to set up a SongbookPro Groups organisation from scratch, check out this tutorial. Hopefully this has been helpful for you. For more information, see our other tutorials and view the online manual at songbook-pro.com under Docs, Groups.